Here she's coming.
Paparazzi. Come on.
Hi.
So, how do you feel?
Frank, can you?
But is salami? Is it
Yeah.
salami?
No, it's not salami. Spanish thing. I don't know what it is. Vanessa, das ist die letzte, ne? Weil wir müssen aufpassen.
I have apple there.
Can I bet your apple?
And full pop.
Oh, all three women, all four women together on one picture. Wow.
Oh, Bushman.
That's sausage. Was soll das denn?
Left and right.
What is it?
Left and right. I'm on diet. This is my dinner.
At home, there is chicken waiting.
I have that on frying pan.
We need to go in the bin here. I'm gonna pause. Okay?
We're heading in the park. I know, going for a walk
Going for a walk
Yeah.
into the woods.
to the woods. Sige, dalhin namin kayo sa woods. Let's bring them in the woods. Dalhin namin kayo sa kagubatan, guys. Speak English.
Warum?
Weil ich frage. Weil dann können wir ja Skateboard holen.
Nee, wir gehen in den Wald.
Wald?
Ja.
Okay, das ist was? Ist das laut? Ist das laut? Mein, ist das laut? Ella. Ja, ich habe angedroht.
First time.
Ui.
Can you speak? Should not have an apple there actually.
Can you give me
Why
your
not?
apple?
Versuch nicht den Kopf abzuschneiden, Vanessa.
Where we get here, there.
I said you are going
It's my
to
first
the
time, na?
wall.
We are going to the woods.
Yeah, it's not good, yeah?
Hi, sister. You can go. Yeah? That's it. Let Ella be on top.
No, don't push me.
And you stay there.
No.
Yeah, you give me that.
No, I'm afraid. We're gonna crash.
Bye, Ella. Bye.
Hey there. Can I have your number? You have 3 kids. Sorry.
I'm afraid to say I'm married. Ja, aber?
What?
Hat er Hallo gesagt?
I'm wearing kuan, guys. Maybelline Amazonian.
Ich hab vergessen, wie er heißt.
Ich weiß auch nicht, wie die heißt, aber
Darf ich mit ihr fahren?
Ja, hinter mir.
Okay.
You only stand.
Stand up your feet, me fahren.
Nein, you only stand.
Careful.
Nein, you fahren. Okay. Bleib jetzt da dran. Vanessa! Darf ich danach mit Franzin auf die Schaukel? Die Babyschaukel, die nehme ich auf den Schoß und schaukel mit ihr.
Are you coming off?
What?
Are you coming often here?
Are you flirting with me?
Just asking, excuse me. Don't take it personal. Then,
Wow, sexy legs.
jeez. White, I hate that. I prefer to see your legs here.
Doon sila guys, oh. Poor girl.
Did you
Yeah.
normally not live here?
Yeah, okay. Francine! They're so busy.
So nice here.
You're getting a fan?
Here, hi.
But it's a thing that this is like here. Like it's not. Vanessa, you said this is privat here.
No.
And du denkst, dass das ist von Garten von hier.
It is from the house, but it doesn't matter.
Nasa ano ata kami guys? Nasa...
What?
Is that where the building we pass? Right?
Yeah.
It's getting cold.
You want Frank?
Such a...
Francine love it.
Boing. Boing. That's it.
Are you gonna sleep there now?
Boing.
We're like kids here, eh? Down?
Look, she's hanging. I'm still heavier than they are. They're two.
Stop it! Stop it, stop it. Jesus Christ.
Besser als so toll. Du bist auch nicht so toll. Family, family. We want to sing here.
Go down there. You're gonna fall there. Yeah, your head, oh. Your head. Nasa woods na kami guys, pero parang hindi kami papasok dun sa loob. Kasi malamig. Hindi ako naka-jumper lang ako, oh. Yun sila. Okay.
That's here where I lost my mobile, no?
Yeah. Last 2 years, no?
That's when the partner was here, like, you know, with birds. We were sitting there in the grass. So they might do that again. Weißt du noch, da habe ich mein Handy verloren. And that's where the kids event is
Okay.
being held on this street, on this road.
Hier hat Martin hatten, sind wir durch den Wald gelaufen. Da, hinter den Bäumen versteckt. Meiner war hinter den ersten und
See
die.
guys, mas ano pa dun, oh. May way doon. At lalabas lang kami. Hindi na kami pupunta sa loob kasi ang lamig. Nilamig ako. Naka-jumper lang kasi ako guys, eh. Ang ingay ng ano ni Ella ba? Scooter. Look at that guys. I'm wearing Maybelline Super Matte na shades Amazonian. Until now, hindi pa siya natatanggal. Amazonian na shade. Kumain ako ng apple ha. Hindi pa din siya natanggal. See baby? The lipstick is still there. It's the Amazonian shade. The one we bought in
My
Bali.
wife is also still here in the woods.
Hast du fertig, sind wir da?
You don't like that? Okay. She doesn't like the phone. You don't like it? You okay? Are you okay, Francine? One, do it here.
Yeah, but it's so loud.
Ja,
It's
und
okay.
das ist ein normaler Roller, der geölt
They
werden
know
muss.
that it is a scooter here. We are here anyway, so it's okay. Reklamo siya kasi maingay daw yung scooter niya. Ang ano naman kasi dito guys, yung ang quiet. Parang hala din.
Dalang!
Here, Ella.
Oh nein, die werden mich auch folgen.
Adina's house.
Ja.
Speak Deutsch with me. Vanessa.
Was?
So, magsasalita kami ng Deutsch. Sprechen Deutsch.
Was denn?
Ask me questions. Frag me. Frag.
Was soll ich dich fragen?
Frag mich. Frag.
Was soll ich dich denn
Bucket
fragen?
frag.
Was soll ich dich denn fragen?
Nicht hard. Deutsch. Easy. Easy Deutsch.
Ja.
Yeah. No, easy Deutsch. Ask
Deutsch
me
ist
question. No.
Leicht.
Ask me question which is easy. Can you translate it for her, baby?
Yeah, wow.
Frag him.
Papa, hat sie es auf Englisch sagen oder was? Nein.
Deutsch.
Guck, das ist,
Frag him me question. Frag
also
him me.
hier. Zum Beispiel, ich bin nett. Und dann sagt sie es. Nein.
Fragst du was und sie
Ja,
das-
aber nicht hard. What is hard in
Ja,
Deutsch?
also Vanessa.
Nicht.
Warum
Okay.
nicht?
Okay, just ask me questions.
Okay.
Anything, but basic, na?
Bist du nett?
Was?
Magst du Franzin?
Was, Francine? Machen Sie?
magst du?
Magst du
like
Franzin?
What?
You like Francine?
Da, ja. Und? Was? Max ist.
Bist du
Magst
nett?
du?
Bist du nett?
Bist du nett?
That means nice.
Are you nice?
Ja, aber Frank, du hilfst nicht.
Nicht? Hilf mir nicht. Hilf mir nicht.
Hilf mir nicht. So, ich spreche Deutsch. Okay. Okay, again. Jetzt.
Was ist dein Lieblingstier?
Was?
Was ist dein Lieblingstier?
Where I live, right? What? Was Lieblings?
Tier.
Oh, ich Lieblings?
Tier.
Can you help me now? Call a friend.
Ist dein Lieblingstier eine Eule, ein Hund? Was?
What animals do you like?
Ich liebe Hund.
Hund?
Hund, so it's easy. Hund, Hähnchen for
Ein Huhn?
ein Huhn, ein Hähnchen for the
Huhn ist ein
for
Hähnchen.
the
Zum Kochen?
for the
Für Hühnersuppe?
yeah. My God, I think I gotta go back to A1 this time. Aber
She's also laughing.
du müde? Francine
Bist du
is
müde?
müde. Francine is müde.
Müde.
Yeah. Moody.
Müde.
And
Richtig.
wir gehen zu Hause.
Nach Hause.
Nach Hause, we're going home now, right now. Und du? Wo bist du?
Wer bist du?
Wer bist du?
So, ich dachte, wo? Am Computer dann.
Ja, where?
Where?
Ja.
Zu Hause.
Zu Hause, okay. Du bleiben hier? In Garage?
Bleibst du hier in Garage?
Du bleibst in Garage?
Nein,
du bleibst in
oder
Garage?
ja?
Ja, ich bleibe in der Garage.
Die sprechen Deutsch oder nicht? Und du?
Redet.
Und du bleibst hier? Du
Nein.
bleibst hier?
Ich gehe nach Hause.
Okay. Okay.
Guck mal
So.
da. Schön.
Yeah, schön flowers here. Schön. Hi. Ist so laut.
Nach Hause.
Yeah, we're going na.
Ja.
Pauwi na kami, guys. So,
Tschüss. Tschüss.
so,
Tschüss. Welcome back to my channel.
welcome back. So, pauwi na kami, guys. Ayan na. Gabi na nito. What time now, baby? Did you check the time, guys? Dito na kami, oh, nandiyan bahay namin. Naglibot lang kami konti sa park. So, ayun na for today, guys. Thank you all for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye-bye and have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye. Cheers. Cheers, 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 cheers. Cheers. It's good evening already, Ella.
Oh.
God bless.